Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We have a mystery toy tent today. And do you want to go see?
That's right. You ready to see what's in there, Lily?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a look. Oh my gosh. What's in the bag? Oh, it's Bluey. It's Bingo from Bluey. And Bluey action figures. Oh my gosh, a little quad, a beach set. How cute. All these were in the tent? Whoa, this goes with this one, the beach set. Awesome. Come on up here, Lil. Which one do you want to open first?
I want to open maybe this one first.
Okay, this is Bingo. We got kids safe scissors here for Lily.
I can cut this one because it's only one. Hey,
Okay, listen, he's talking. Or she's talking.
I'm gonna cut it.
Right there? Yeah, right here, right here.
Okay.
Okay.
Bluey.
Let's see. Squeezer, this is Bingo.
Can we go to the beach?
Can we go to the beach?
I thought he's plushy because I like to swim.
Bingo! Cool. We want to thank Moose Toys for sending us all these toys today. We love Bluey, right, Lil?
Mm-hmm.
And this is the Family Beach Day Bluey. We have Bluey, Bingo, Chili is the mom, and Bandit is the dad.
How do you do that?
Woo. There's Bluey.
Bluey.
And here's cute little goggles for her. Here's Chili, Bluey's mom. Here's Bandit, Bluey's dad. Woo. And Bingo, Bluey's little sister. And here's her goggles.
Wait. No, this is a boy, right?
No, Bluey's a girl too. They're both girls.
Oh, so. Okay.
Okay. This is Beach Quad with Bandit. So you get another Bandit with this one. And it says also look for Bingo's helicopter. Really cute. So let's get this out of here.
Wait, what about my scissors?
Here's the quad.
Wait, go on. I can hold you.
Here's a little surfboard, which also fits right on here.
Ah! Hold on though, let's just put them on right here. So I'm gonna have to lay down, okay?
And here's the cool Bandit. See, he's got a hole right there so he can sit on here.
Baby bees, I can't do it anymore.
Super cute. Next we have Mermaid tails. And also you can get the Beach Day and the Action Heroes. They're different ones, but these are the Mermaid tails. Aw, look, she's got a little makeup on this Bingo. On both sides of her eyes, like mermaid makeup. Here's a mermaid tail. Looks like it's made out of sand, like they made it on the beach, huh? Cute. And here's the little Bluey, and she has makeup on too, like mermaid makeup, and she's holding a seashell. And we got the Beach Day too, and this comes with Chili, who is Mom, and Bingo. And they have a little beach bag and a hat.
So relaxing.
So relaxing.
Wait,
It's a little Bingo. Here's her little beach bag.
different Bingo, right? Beach bag.
And here's Chili with the beach hat.
And she has this bag too, if it can go on her.
And she has a little, on her bottom, she has the same little hole that Bandit has, so she could ride the quad too. You put her on there? Wait, you gotta put her hands up, I think. Her hands are stopping you. There she is.
And her bag can go
Very
back
cute.
there. Can go in. Come here, guys. Take a closer look.
Stands on the surfboard.
Wait, we gotta come look at him. You gotta come.
So can we go to the beach? I don't need plushies because I like to swim. Bingo!
Okay guys, if you like these toys, we'll put a link below if you want to get yourself some Bluey toys. They're really cute and super fun. Thanks Moose Toys again for sending us these awesome toys. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back tomorrow and see what's in our tent. Our Moose Toy tent tomorrow.